In this video, we're exploring the MDS Blender Managed Network Solutions, a game-changing tool for ensuring high-speed, reliable internet connectivity in remote locations like yachts, vessels, and businesses. The MDS Blender combines multiple internet sources, Starlink, LTE Cellular, VSAT, and Wi-Fi, into one seamless, high-performance network. This powerful bonding router ensures uninterrupted communication and includes failover capabilities to keep you connected, even if one source fails. With speeds reaching up to 1 gigabit per second, the MDS Blender supports data-intensive applications like video conferencing, remote desktop work, and streaming, all without lag or downtime. Its advanced network management tools give you granular control over data usage, device management, and enhanced cybersecurity to protect against online threats. Whether you need global coverage, flexible configurations, or proactive technical support, the MDS Blender adapts to your needs. Its hybrid communication setup ensures robust performance in even the most challenging environments. What's more, the MDS Blender offers a cost-effective subscription model, eliminating the need for multiple separate subscriptions. It's a smart investment for businesses and maritime operations alike, providing reliable and affordable connectivity wherever you go. With plug-and-play functionality, installation is quick and easy. The MDS Blender is ready to seamlessly integrate into your existing setup, transforming your connectivity experience in remote environments. Ready to upgrade your network? Learn more about the MDS Blender and how it can revolutionize your internet connectivity today.